Hi and welcome back to another video. My name is, well, you don't know my name. We're going to be doing how to make a paper airplane. 2 paper airplanes. What you need first is a piece of paper like this. Plain piece of paper. Like that. Okay? And then you're going to need either some tape. I'm going to find some tape here.
Okay, there's some right here.
Alright, so got some tape here, over here. So we're going to do this just in case the paper rips, which will probably not. Alright, so you got the paper, right? Go hot dog style, and you go up to the 2 corners right here, and then you take it, and you fold it. No, actually, first you need to fold it right down this way. So it's still hot dog style, like this, the long ways. And then you fold it, and then you fold it this way, like this. Like this. You hold it one end, you print down like that, and then you're gonna get the other side here. You can see here it's kind of square. See this? This is not. See that? It's moving. And make sure it's level right there. And then you just zoop right down the line. Now you have a folded little line here. You can see that. It's a little line here. Right down there. You're going to take this corner here, and you're going to fold it like that. So what I did, I just took the corner here, and I folded it down. So now you have this, and it's lined up with the line in the middle. And take the other side and do the same with that. Like that. And then what you need to do is have it like this, right? 2 ends, fold it in, like that. And then you fold it inwards, like that. So what I did is I just folded it this way. So I'm going to close it. Now I have this shape. And then what you need to do is take up here, this little thing right here. You're going to take it and you're going to pull it down over here somewhere. Make sure that this line right here matches up with this line at the bottom, right down here. So, you can see, I just made sure that all the lines were aligned, and I just did that. Now you do the same thing to the other side. There we go. Now you should end up with this. So a little dip that out from the other step that we did. So now you have this. First thing we're going to do, this is called the flat nose dip. So this end right here, you open it up like a little paper. Just open it up, and then you fold this tip all the way down to where the paper ends, over here. So you would fold it all the way down like that. You push it down. And then it would be just the same, but now you don't have a tip. So there's no tip here. This is all just gone. And then we're going to take it and we're going to fold it down. Make sure that when you fold it, the tip here isn't over here. It's going to be right down there at the tip over there. So watch. Make sure that the line kind of centered along the line. So now you have this. Have one side done. And they're going to do the same thing to the other side. There we go. Now you have your flat-tipped airplane. Look at that. Nice and it flies, nice and straight. Alright, that was one of them. This is the flat nose. The other one is the sharp nose, which is the exact same thing without bending in that little tip there. So what you're going to do is do the same thing. I'll let you do it. Alright, we're back. And we are back with the same thing. See that? Same thing. And you're not going to fold it this time. You're just going to leave it be and then do the same thing. Make sure this line is the same with this line. So you're going to fold it down. Make sure that they're not crisscrossing. There you go. Just do the same thing with the other side. Align that. There we go. Now you have your sharp-tipped paper airplane. This one flies just as nice as the other one. Not as smooth though. The other one kind of dips and turns the way you make it. Another great feature is if you want to get out your scissors. Get your scissors, and what you're going to do is you're going to cut two little, so at the bottom, at the back of it, two little slivets, if you can see, right there, and right there. Now you have flaps. See that? Well, flaps. You do the same thing to the other side. There you go. Now you have two flaps, which you can angle them to make the plane go up or down. I like mine going in spirals, so I put mine up. Alright, that's all for this how-to video. See you guys next time. See you later!